Hello everyone and welcome to Purpose Bling Girl Boss. My name is Natoya and I'm here to help you grow your paparazzi business to 1K and beyond. So in this video, I'm going to talk about something so important, and I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, but this one thing was the difference between me succeeding at my paparazzi business and me just doing absolutely nothing and feeling sorry for myself that my business wasn't growing. So this is having a why. You need to have a why. A why is, why are you starting your paparazzi business? Why are you doing it? And your why needs to be like, emotional, and it needs to bring up emotion and make you want to do your business, make you want to get up. Whatever you have to do. There's so many things you have to do with the paparazzi business, but whatever you have to do, if you have to organize your jewelry, if you have to get up and ship your jewelry, pack your jewelry, if you have to do a Facebook Live, if you have to clean up, whatever you need to do, your why is the one thing that pushes you to do all the things you need to do to have a successful business. So I touched on this briefly before, but my why I decided to start paparazzi, why I'm doing all of this, is because I want freedom in my life. I want to be able to have my day belong to me. I want to do whatever I want to do during the day and be my own boss. So if I decide I want to, go to the mall and go shopping at 12 p.m. on a Wednesday, then I'm going to do that, as long as I do my other business tasks before that. If I decide that I want to spend 2 weeks in Japan, I'm going to do that because I am the boss. Or if I decide I want to spend the first half of the day being lazy and watching Netflix, I'm going to do that as well because I'm the boss and freedom is important to me. So this is my why. So when I don't feel like doing my Facebook Live, when I don't feel like getting myself together, putting my makeup on, all that jazz, I think, well, Natoya, and I just picture my lifestyle and the lifestyle that I want. I picture myself in Paris and doing all the things that I want to do, running my business, connecting with you guys, selling my jewelry to our customers, and just all that stuff. I picture it, and this is my why. So what's your why? Your why can be something completely different. Your why could be you want to be able to send your kids to an amazing college and let them live in a dorm, pay for everything. That could be your why. That could be the thing that pushes you, whatever it is. Or even your why could be you want to be able to go shopping and buy expensive purses and a whole bunch of makeup, whatever. It's all you. It's all about what pushes you and what motivates you to get up no matter how you feel, and stay consistent no matter how you feel, and run your business. So please take the time before you start your paparazzi business. Please take the time and think about what your why is. So guys, if you would like to start your paparazzi business, the link is the first link in the description. But please do send me a message before so we can chat. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.